this video, we will guide you through the simple process of making a fee payment using your card. To begin a payment, first tap on the specific student you wish to pay for directly from your dashboard. Once you've selected the student, you'll see a clear list of all outstanding fees or invoices that need to be paid. From this list, you can individually select which invoices you would like to pay for right now. Simply tap on each invoice you would not like to pay for right now and unmark it for payment. Once you've selected the invoices, tap on the Select Payment Method. Here, you will see the available payment options. If the school has enabled card payments, you will see and can click on Pay by Card. After selecting Pay by Card, tap Select Payment Method one more time. This will bring you back to the fees page with your selected payment method confirmed. Now to proceed, simply tap the Pay Now button. This action will securely trigger and open our integrated payment portal. Within the payment portal, you will securely enter your card details to complete the transaction. Once your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. For your convenience, the app will automatically redirect you back to the dashboard after approximately 15 seconds. To view the transaction that you've just made, click on History to view any previous record of transactions that has been done for this student.